All right, so we're video solutions for solving one-step equations from the Unit 6 packet. Question number 4, which is all those letters, starring me, Mr. Greetley, and
this reader.
I'm just going to make up a name for you. Just going to make up a name for you. Give her a name.
Danielle Wade.
All right, starring Danielle. Okay, so here we go. N plus 9 equals 13. Amanda, what's my inverse operation?
Subtraction.
Negative, because we want to think of these as positive and negative. So negative what?
9.
So I do negative 9 on both sides. That's a step. Positive 9, negative 9 cancel, and N equals 4. Easy squeezy. Danielle, negative 14 plus B equals 21. What's my inverse operation?
Adding. Wait, you have to add it.
Okay, well, this is a negative 14. We don't add, though. We do the opposite of the number. So the opposite of negative 14 is positive 14. All right, so we got positive 14 on both sides. So we never want to do the opposite of the operation here because the opposite of plus would have been minus, and that would have been a mistake. That's a trap. Opposite of the number. So we'll have to B equals 35. Okay, Amanda. Z minus 18 equals negative 14. What should I do first?
You should do the same thing.
Very good. We want to make everything addition. All right, back to you, Danielle. What's the inverse operation or inverse of the number?
A positive 18.
Very good. Positive 18, positive 18. They cancel. Z equals. Amanda, I have a positive and a negative. What's my rule?
Take the larger number and subtract.
Excellent. Positive 4. Okay? Now, if you don't want the positive there, that's fine. Okay. Negative Z plus G equals negative 12. I'll do this. So I want to get rid of the negative Z. So the opposite is positive, or negative 7. I'm sorry. The opposite is positive 7. Negative 7, positive 7 cancel. G equals. Amanda just told me the rules. So I have more negatives and subtract. Simple. Danielle. Ooh, look at that. 19 equals 15 plus Y. Danielle, what number do I have to get rid of?
15.
Yeah, so the opposite is?
Negative 15.
Because we always work on the side of the variable. So this side was the variable. So that cancels. So left with 4 equals Y. Amanda, what's wrong with that answer?
So the numbers in front of the letter.
All right, so in algebra we want to put the letter first. All right. Okay, F. I'll do this one. B plus negative 4 equals 13. So I got to get rid of the negative 4, which makes it a positive 4. Negative 4, positive 4 cancel. B equals easy one. Okay, G, Danielle. This is a little different. Now it's Q divided by 3 equals 33. So what's the inverse?
Multiplication.
Yeah, I'm dividing by 3, so I multiply, and we keep it to 3, because they got to be the same number top bottom. Some kids would put a negative there, huh? They would get like a rule up here mixed with that. So now the 3's cancel, because 3 over 3 is?
1.
And 1 times Q is?
Cute.
There you go, that's right, it gets by itself. 33 times 3, Amanda Streeter.
11.
33 times 3. So what's 3 times that 3?
Oh, 99.
There you go. Forget these calculator things. That's just dumb. Here's a calculator. All right, here we go. H. Ooh. All right. Amanda, I'm multiplying by negative 18. So what's my inverse operation?
Do it differently. So it's positive.
No, that's when I add and subtract. So when we have a number term, like this is just a number term. It's not attached to a letter. 9, opposite negative 9. Negative 14 isn't attached. Negative 14, opposite positive 14. But this is attached to it. That negative 18 is actually attached to the x because of multiplication. So when we have multiplication or division problems, we have to do opposite of the...
Operation.
There you go. So I'm multiplying, so the opposite is...
Dividing.
Okay, what am I going to divide by?
18.
You mixed up this rule too. We don't change the sign. It's got to be the same number.
So negative 18.
Negative 18. Because, remember, I have to have the same number top bottom to cancel. There they go. All right. What's a positive? Whoops. There you go. What's negative divided by negative, Danielle?
Positive.
All right, let's do short division. Okay, so we have 36 divided by 18, which is anybody. Okay, so the answer is 20. So that one would have
Oh,
been
I
good
did that
just
one
to.
right.
There we go. Okay, I. Okay, I'm going to do my same change opposite. All right, what's the opposite, or what's the inverse operation here, Amanda?
Plus double.
Yeah, because it's just a number. It's not attached. So then I just do opposite of the number. They cancel. Good. Okay, Danielle, did you learn today what we do when a fraction is in front of a variable?
Yeah.
What do we do?
We multiply it. Wait, what?
When a fraction is in front of a variable, that's a little different. Did you learn today what we did?
Yeah, I forgot.
Okay, Amanda, what do we do? 4 words. Multiply the, multiplied by the, multiplied by the. If I, in this actual problem, I'm multiplying by 1/5, so the opposite is divide by 1/5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well in fraction land in 6th grade, when I divide by a fraction, let's just take this for example. Do you remember what you do if you were in 6th grade right now and you were dividing?
Yes. You would go across.
No. Yes, you do same, change, flip. But when I flip a fraction, that's called reciprocal. So what we learn in algebra is when we have a fraction in front of a letter, we multiply by the reciprocal. And your algebra teachers next year are going to use these same words. You see on the screen, you already told me that. So I'm going to multiply by what?
5 over.
There we go. And I'm going to multiply by what?
5 over.
There we go. So now notice 5 on top, 5 on the bottom. Cancel. 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom. If I multiply reciprocals, what happens? 5 times 1 and 1 times 5, what does that give me? What whole number?
Or 1.
1. And 1 times the n is just n. So that's again why we get the n by itself. Okay, now do your fraction work. Top times top, bottom times bottom. Do we need that one? No. So remember, multiply by reciprocal. Okay, K. Danielle, what do I do in K?
You divide it
By?
15.
Ooh, gotta keep the same sign. Good. They cancel. Okay, what's negative divided by negative? Positive. And how many 15s go into 75? 4 times 15. See, now here's where you can use your, what's, 4 times 5 gives you 20 with the 0 at the end, so we know what that should be. 25 of them?
No.
15, what's another 15 cents? 30 cents, another 15 cents. 45 cents, another 15 cents. 60, another 15 cents. 75 cents. Sometimes money makes you think a little bit better. Okie dokie. All right, this problem. What do I have to get rid of, Amanda?
-8.
What's the opposite?
Plus 2.
There we go. Cancel away. R equals 35. And I can do the last one. I got to get rid of the 19. Positive 19, so the opposite is negative 19. Danielle, what's the rule for doing that calculation?
Is the biggest numbers being in the front.
Okay, negative and
-16.
and subtract. That's it. Say goodbye, Danielle.
Bye-bye.
Say goodbye, man.
Bye.
All right. Say goodbye, Mrs. Streeter.
Adios.
Contaminos. What does that come from? That there's some advertisement. Adios contaminos. Contaminates something like food or something. Is it taco? No.
Adios.
You know what I'm talking about? Have you ever heard that one?